Eddie. It's dead.
Those are dead.
Throw them in the water.
No.
They died in all that dumb heat. Ew.
The blowworms are alive.
Ew.
Alright.
Look at that one. Yuck.
How'd he die?
They weren't refrigerated. And I know chicken ain't want no worms in the refrigerator.
So where was they at? Who's the worm, son?
Ain't telling
you. Worm killer. So what are you making? So what are you doing all that damn string?
Mom, come look at this. Mom.
What's in there?
Come look. Wow.
A worm and bread.
Dang, that thing so long.
You always wonder what this is for, huh?
Mm-hmm. So they crawl in the hole.
Dang, that joint big. Oh, small.
You look like MacGyver right now.
MacDiver.
That's not even going to fit. Oh, never mind. Yep, not even going to fit.
It is this time.
It's too big.
I don't care. Oh, well.
That thing big.
So then they crawl in and then they can't get out.
Yep. Excuse me.
Can I do it, Syiah?
Hold this end of this string for me.
Okay.
Okay.
No, I need her to stretch the string.
Okay.
Okay. Here, hold it off.
I gotta try to pull.
Ed. Well, we don't have to chat now.
Did you jump in and get it?
We went to plan B, guys. That's replaceable. If I go in, I'm getting a couple turtles.
So what are you going to do with the crab trap?
I'm going in. Like no.
Go ahead, and we'll watch
I'm
you.
going in.
I think
It's all the dirt they might get me.
we ain't got no fishing license. I think 5-0 coming.
Everybody out here fishing. They don't never check. It's a peaceful area. They don't mess with people in areas like this.
Is that 5-0?
This ain't window.
Who is that?
Cost on top, everybody.
S. Hit me. Hit me. With the spray. They're getting me.
Hold that.
Oh, no, not hit me. Not hit me. Spray me, hit me.
These on chicken fuck.
Start hitting me with the spray. Can you take this S off my arm? Oh, okay. Oh, man.
Alright, chicken, if you watch this recording, I'm blaming you. This history.
Huh?